My gloves were too big, guys. I messed up. Yeah, I made my gloves way too big. Okay, globs are coming off. It was a good idea, but just too much. Okay, we're gonna try again. I've taken off the globs, all except for two. Okie dokie. What is the issue here? Why won't it fit? It's those, okay. Oh no, okay. That's gonna have to be it. Don't fall apart, just melt on there. Okay, I'm gonna try to do the corners first. Last corner. Okay, I'm gonna take the bridges off. Are we ready? Okie doke. Now I'm just gonna work on attaching this better, but look! Oh no. Tink, tink. Oh, tink.